Hello everyone, my name is Paul Nischal and I represent team number 20 and the name of our project is Soccer Station. From the last time we did a video, I would like to start off with what we have improved after almost a sprint. As you can see, if you compare the video from the last time, our application has incrementally improved as far as the user interface is concerned. As you can see, our Soccer Station now has a football beside it, and our navbar elements, as you can see further in the video as I show a demo, you will be able to see that the components have improved, and obviously you can see a live muted looped video playing at the back, which falls in line with the theme of our Soccer Station website. So to start off with, we have enabled registration for Soccer Station. So let me register a person. Let me register myself, Paul Nischal, and let me give myself an email ID. And a password. So as I click sign up, a toaster message comes up saying that Paul Nischal is registered, and I'll be able to log in now. So as I try to log in with the same ID that I signed up with, so here it goes. And the password. If I click on submit, I'll be taken to this page, which is a landing page for a user. Welcome dear user. Over here we have drastically improved the UI from the last time. The focus of the sprint was to improve UI. So we've done that successfully. Over here, as you can see, I'm using a breadcrumb in order to open and show a site navigation. Here we are giving the user a chance to book ticket. We will be implementing booking of tickets over here. And one more thing that Professor Findler has asked us to do in one of his Slack messages was to give a third-party address of a website to make the user know the rules. So we have implemented that. If we click on this know your rules, we will be redirected to this page that Professor Findler asked us to show. That is one thing we implemented. And obviously the logout functionality has been introduced in this version of our release. And we have also worked on role-based logins this time. I would like to give an example of a role-based login. Professor Findler told us about the logins that our websites can have. And one of the logins that we have authenticated back in our DB is team director. So he will be logging in, and once the team director is logged in, he will automatically be taken to the team director landing page based on his role. And these are the various tasks that we will be implementing further for a team director. That is implementing the ability to schedule matches, managing players, adding members, scheduling matches for the teams, the messages that the team director receives, the support, and obviously the logout function. Over here, as you can see, we are keeping the UI stable all across the various users and actors involved in this application. So from the last time till this time, we've considerably improved the UI, and we've made sure that the user interface is much more responsive. The logout works for this part as well. So thank you for watching our demo. This is Team 20, which is currently working on the third sprint of the project Soccer Station. Thank you so much.